anak chief sa kana turangan na television pati
the team here in the West is doing the farewell for me. My term as Commissioner Western comes to an end at the end of the month. So it was announced in Lambasa last week, and the team had put together the function today to farewell me during my term, 5-year term as Divisional Commissioner for the Western Division. 2 months ago, I've been asked to apply to contest the election as a Fiji First candidate, Fiji First Party candidate. And with all that time, I did last 2 weeks. I did put in my application, and now I'm moving on to contest the election. It was a very challenging year when I was here. Cyclone in a flood in 2009, 2012 another 2 floods and a cyclone, and that we had a plan, a Western Division development plan, but that plan has been delayed by the disaster. I would like to stay on as Divisional Commissioner for another term of 3 years. Unfortunately, I've been asked to resign from this post and to apply to contest the election. Unlike in 2009, the whole of Nandi was in chaos, and also in the Western Division. By when cyclone events came in, the people, even though the warning was going, the people had take initiative to go into evacuation centers and take shelters. The biggest challenge is to change the mindset of our people in the West. The Western Division is very significant to Fiji. About 67% of the GDP derives here from the West. And also the sugar industry. Sugar industry in 2009 to 2010 did reach rock bottom, and we were able, through government support and the team here with the sugar stakeholders, we were able to bring the sugar around. But it's still, there's still things to be done to bring sugar as the backbone of the economy of the country. But we haven't reached there. But I would say we are progressing towards that to beat tourism. But for tourism is going well. But the biggest challenge is the mentality of our people. People need to look at the bigger picture. People need to see that development, every development brings in the idea of growing the economy. While growing the economy, it's creating employment, and creating employment, it's assisting to reduce the poverty rate. So people need to participate, whatever level of participation. With all this small participation in economic activities, it will definitely end up in a bigger economic activity that will drive the country forward. During these 5 years, we built a number of nursing stations. We built schools. At the moment, there's 3 secondary schools that we're building for the Western Division. There's a lot of infrastructure that has been done: farm roads, non-cane access roads, cane access roads, and even rural roads. But for the last 2 years, when FRA came in, it delayed the implementation in accordance with what we have in our plan. We are still negotiating with FRA. Whatever is our priority should be their priority, but there's a mismatch. Their priority is not our priority, but our priority is what is coming from the people. We had the village meetings, the Tikina meetings, the advisory council meetings, provincial council meetings, and then we have the provincial development board and the divisional development board. These are all the meetings. So it's a bottom-up approach that we are following, but unfortunately, some of the change to FRA did not match with our priorities. I would like to see that this ministry handles everything about the rural development, the rural road, rural electrification, rural water, so that the plight of the people or the complaint or the request of the people are attended to at the quickest time when they request. But at the moment, most of the decentralization of government services in some of the ministries still in Suba. Some of the authorities and responsibilities and duties need to decentralize to the divisional level to enable the divisional commissioner to move machineries at the divisional level to implement when people want it, when people want development to go on. So if there's a mismatch or there's a different in priorities of our people, the central people in Suva decides otherwise, that it will stall development at the divisional level, divisional and district level. I value the support of the team, and as I said, we always work as a team. It's not myself, it's not my office, it's the team here in the West that supports me in the implementation or the rolling out of programs in the West. But unfortunately, the unfortunate thing is that the disasters, the flood and the cyclone did delay the implementation of the plan that we have. We need to be patient. We need to be patient. We need to love the people. It is the people that we serve. If the people are not here, we are not here. So our priority commodity is the people. We need to be in the district or in the division to serve. We only have to serve at a certain time, but with that service, we need to address the needs of the people.
Thank you so much.